Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on. Yes, it's Friday, still Friday, almost weekend, October the 16th. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this will be a number 1765. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one here and oh there no. 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 Double O here one, then one. Double O here one, then one. Double one here O, then O. Double one here O, then O. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one here O, then O. Double one here O, then O. Then. Let me see. Alright. How about we have here 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. And then 3 ones in this row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And then 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. If I place, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed in this row. So one of the rules, there's one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, a double 1 here and O, there an O. And then, let me see, I need to compare, I think. Do we have a here? Not the same. I need to compare the rows. Double O. No. 101. Yes, this row and the second row. 1100 empty box, 11 empty box, 00. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here and O, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Then I need to compare again. Double 1, double O. Do we have a double O? Yes. this one and that one, this column and that column. Empty box, 1 empty box, 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Alright, finished in 5 minutes. I like this Sudoku. Binary. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku, a tectonic. Bye bye for now.